Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete photos from Google Photos to free up storage space and organize your photo library, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your mobile device or access photos.google.com on a web browser. Step 2. Browse through your photo library and locate the photos you want to delete. Step 3. Tap and hold on a photo to select it, or click the check mark in the top left corner of a photo on the web. Step 4. Select multiple photos by tapping or clicking on additional photos you want to delete. Step 5. Once you have selected all the photos you want to remove, tap the trash icon at the top of the screen. Step 6. Confirm the deletion by tapping Move to Trash or Delete to move the photos to the trash folder. Step 7. To permanently delete photos, open the trash folder by tapping Library, then Trash. Step 8. Select the photos you want to permanently delete and tap Delete Forever. Step 9. Confirm the permanent deletion to free up storage space in your Google Photos account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.